Everybody, welcome back to another video about AXS Infinity, guys. In this video I'm talking about the AXS coin. What's the price changes occurs in AXS Infinity. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update video about AXS Infinity. So let's start the video, guys. The right now price of AXS Infinity in the market is about 68.86 USD dollar. That is a right now price of AXS Infinity. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes of AXS Infinity, so the last 1 hour change is about negative 0.23%. Only, guys, the last 60-minute update is negative, except of last 60 minute the previous changes of AXS Infinity is positive, guys. You can see here that the last 1 day, last 1 week changes occurs in the AXS Infinity is positive, guys. So I'm very happy to see these positive changes, and I'm sure, guys, you already feeling happy about AXS Infinity, guys. Let me show you the price chart of AXS Infinity. You can see here, guys, absolutely very good jumps occur by AXS Infinity. But you can see here, just look here, if we look the price chart of AXS Infinity, so sometime price jump, dump, jump, dump. That is a roadmap of AXS Infinity. You can see here the same like that. If I zoom the price chart, so in the latest situation the price is in the false mode, but I'm sure again the price will jump. There is a temporary false, again the price will jump. There is a roadmap of AXS Infinity that sometime price dump, sometime price pump, guys. So don't worry, my prediction is 100% positive about AXS Infinity, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.